Hello, everybody out there in the land of make-believe. Hi, everybody. I'm darn, what you call it? A Bigfoot. It's a Bigfoot. I'm drawing a Bigfoot. And I got it all drawn out. Now I'm sketching in the little hairs. See? Fun. Little hairs. One right after another. Sketch. And I am just doing this for fun. I got no use for a Bigfoot picture. Just like a Bigfoot. Oh yeah? How come? Don't you self-identify as a Yeti American? That's correct. Is Bigfoot the same as Yeti? I don't know. That's arguable. It's arguable. Same species, same... Are they cousins? Are they... You know. I'd say yes. I'd say a Yeti and the Bigfoot are reasonably the same. In a discussion with a friend, we figured the big difference between a Bigfoot or a Sasquatch, if you will, the North American mountain ape, as it's called, and your Sasquatch or abominable what was I talking about? Oh yeah, the abominable snowman. They're aggressive. So your average Sasquatch, North American mountain ape, you know, they're not going to bother you unless you bother them, unless they're mating season. It's another thing. It's all together. But yeah, they're going to bother you unless you can bother them. But Yeti, yeah, they kind of go. They go looking for trouble. And this is why, although I identify with Bigfoot, I self-identify as a Yeti, or in my case, Yeti American, because I go looking for trouble. Sometimes I go looking for trouble. Not with malice. No. But I'm not looking to make trouble. I'm looking for trouble. So that's a big difference between Bigfoot, Sasquatch, North American mountain ape, and your abominable snowman. Now, I had this discussion on another YouTube video I put up, but it might have got lost because it was a bicycle ride video I put up on my bicycle riding channel, and at the time my tire had blown, and it was pretty far into the video. I don't know if anybody saw it, but is that too dark? Might be too dark. I'll come back in there. I got this on a second layer, people. It's all on a second layer. I'm not going to screw it up. If I do, I just think of boop, start over. So that's it. I guess that's what this video was about. The difference between a Yeti, or the abominable snowman, and the North American mountain ape. So until next time, always remember, never forget your vision.